What to do, YouTube? It's your boy Blumbo TV. As the title and the thumbnail, y'all can see, man, Black Ops 6 just released, and we having a lot of major problems with the audio. But don't worry, I got y'all, man. I know a lot of people been complaining they can't hear enemies' footsteps, they can't hear when nobody's by them, or when somebody's sliding in, approaching them. I got y'all, man. Y'all stay tuned to the video. I'm gonna give y'all the best Black Ops 6 audio settings, man. Let's get into the video. So the first thing y'all wanna do is, y'all wanna go to audio, right? Y'all wanna put master game volume on 100. Turn the gameplay music volume all the way down. Y'all want no music, turn it all the way down. Dialogue, I keep mine at 40, 42. You know what I'm saying? But y'all can put it on whatever y'all want, is y'all preference. Effect volume at 100. Cinematic music volume, 0. Stereo, y'all want to put the speaker output on stereo. Now this right here, the enhanced headphone mode, y'all want to turn it off. It comes on by default, but turn it off, right? Audio mix, this is the first important part. Put it on headphone bass boost. You know what I'm saying? So what that does, it tunes up all the footsteps and give like a little bass to it. You know what I'm saying? And y'all want to put the mono off, mute game, everything right. I see right here off. This right here y'all want to turn it on, but you know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna get too much into that right there. Just turn that on. You know what I'm saying? You ain't got too much fuck with the configure. You ain't got too much mess with that. All right. Turn this off. Y'all can have the hit mark on whatever y'all want to have. Now, I'm going to give y'all the second important part that's going to really bring the footsteps to another level where y'all can really, really hear. Follow through. What y'all want to do is go to settings, go to more sounds. You want to go right click the headphones that y'all got. Right click it. Go to properties, enhancement. You see how it says bass boost, headphones, and loudness? Y'all want to make sure y'all check the loudness, right? Go to settings. Hold on, wait. Click the loudness, go to settings, put it all the way to short. This is gonna turn all the volume to the max. And what it's gonna do is make the footsteps even sound even louder. You know what I'm saying? After y'all do that, y'all click OK. You know what I'm saying? Click apply, OK, and it's gonna change the whole volume of the game. It's gonna make the game more louder. But it's gonna turn down, like, you know, all the other stuff down, but it's gonna make the footsteps way louder. And I guarantee you 100% you're gonna hear every enemy footsteps that approach you, that's around the building, on top of the building, the bottom of the building. What that does is every time an enemy takes a footsteps, you're gonna hear the thud sound, like a little thud, 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 thud. Whether they're higher or lower, above or lower, you're gonna tell the difference. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all follow through with those settings, man. And if y'all think I'm lying, I'm gonna drop a clip at the end of the video, quick 30-second clip, where I team wipe a duo team with these settings, and I'm here with the settings with the footsteps. So y'all stay tuned, man. Without further ado, we out of here, man. Appreciate y'all, man, for tuning to the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all tell me if it works for y'all, man. Yee.
Oh my God!
Te tiraste de boca,
Green. Yeah, fucking dead. Somebody landed back on you, bro.
Cabrón de mierda, se. Anda las armas de él, el cerote, por eso me mató rápido.
I hear him.
Oh my God, he running. Fuck him.
Enemy UAV is online.
He coming back up. Bold as fuck.